Uh, thank you, the press and my fellow Kenyans. Today, it's very unfortunate that this fire-eating disease is really killing us. As we are talking now, in the last 24 hours, we have recorded 10,000 positive cases after taking a total sample of 10,100. We also record 100 persons dead. Unfortunately, no recovery in the last 24 hours, and that's bringing total deaths to 5,000 for only past 1 week. That is 7 days ago. Fellow Kenyans, this disease is real and is really serious. Na wewe hapo nje bado unajigamba ati wewe ni fellow. My friend, utakufa na hiyo fellow wako. I want to be very serious in this. It is the responsibility of the government to protect its people. Therefore, as the government, we have come with some measures to control the spread of this disease. From today, there will be no movement in and out of the following places. 1, lodging, especially in Kisumu, Homa Bay, Siaya, Migori, Nairobi, and Mombasa. 2, no movement in and out of the following counties, that is Mombasa, as Mombasa is taking the lead, Nairobi, Kisumu, Homa Bay, and Siaya. 3, fellow Kenyans, no single men or women will be allowed to walk past 7 p.m. And I want to be very serious in this. No soap, chemistry, or hospital will be allowed to sell or offer a P2 medicine or the CDs, aka the condom. And I'm sorry to repeat this or pardon this. No hospital or dispensary will now offer a free CDs or condom. I want to urge my fellow Kenyans, to those who are single, I want to advise you guys to marry from Rift Valley, because Rift Valley ladies, they normally don't rely on fares, as they can just come on a date running. They are good on running. Kenyans, as we are fighting and our doctors are working day and night to find a vaccine for this dangerous disease, I want to urge the border gentlemen to continue their good work of carrying their ladies using their motorbikes. I also want to urge that bicycle guy, use that bicycle to carry your wife. Thank you, gentlemen. Let's meet next day.
Mr. President.